There is something unspoken amongst these US Marines. Their scheduled flight takes journalists north, with Norway's Bjitstad Fjord on one side, on the other, some way off international waters, marked out for planned Russian missile tests. That's not what they've come to show.
Once we get to the area, we'll go up and down, do a little weather recce, see what altitudes are going to be workable for the jets, and we'll relay that back to them. And then hopefully we get some jets out here.
The plan is to open the rear doors thousands of feet in the air for an up-close display of NATO member warplanes. They take off as planned from Åland Air Base. Everyone's been briefed about Russian plans. They all say they'll continue undeterred.
It's okay as long as they act professionally. And what's happened so far, like NATO has the plan for that. They are adhering their normal procedures, and I'm totally happy with that.
Jazz 17 Wolfpack has you Lima Charlie.
Personnel at this radar station say they're focused solely on drills, not any real potential threat.
We are able to detect what is in the Norwegian sensor capability. At the moment, our send airspace is inside the Norwegian airspace, so above the Norwegian territory.
The previous day, Norwegian F-16 fighters were scrambled as two Russian bombers passed near but never in their airspace. So clearly someone was watching. It's widely assumed NATO too is being watched, which is perhaps part of the point.
We show our capabilities, and that sends a very clear message. So it's a very clear message to our own population, the NATO population, but also to any possible adversary.
In Moscow, those close to Russian President Vladimir Putin say NATO activities are designed to antagonize.
NATO needs tension for subsistence. When there is no tension, NATO creates tensions. That is their bread and butter. I mean, this is the only. I mean, the only way for NATO to survive is to build up tensions, which they have been doing for the last 25 years.
The sense inside the alliance's largest military exercise in decades is that officials are treading carefully. Though the only plan we know's been changed was calling off the jet show, and that was down to bad weather. Guy Henderson, CGTN, Åland.